Aspirin, also known as extra-strength Bayer 500 mg tablet, is used to reduce fever and relieve mild to moderate pain from conditions such as muscle aches, toothaches, common cold, and headaches. It may also be used to reduce pain and swelling in conditions such as arthritis. Aspirin is known as a salicylate and a nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drug, NSAID. It works by blocking a certain natural substance in your body to reduce pain and swelling. It is important to consult your doctor before treating a child younger than 12 years. Your doctor may direct you to take a low dose of aspirin to prevent blood clots, reducing the risk of stroke and heart attack. If you have recently had surgery on clogged arteries, such as bypass surgery, carotid endarterectomy, coronary stent, your doctor may direct you to use aspirin in low doses as a blood thinner to prevent blood clots. Remember to always follow your doctor's instructions regarding the daily dosage and optimal timing for taking extra-strength Bayer 500 mg tablet. When taking extra-strength Bayer 500 mg tablet for self-treatment, be sure to follow all the directions on the product package. If you have any questions, it's important to ask your doctor or pharmacist. If your doctor has prescribed this medication for you, it's crucial to take it exactly as directed. Take this medication by mouth with a full glass of water, unless otherwise instructed by your doctor. It's important not to lie down for at least 10 minutes after taking this drug. If you experience stomach upset, you can take it with food or milk. If you are taking enteric-coated tablets, be sure to swallow them whole and not crush or chew them. The same goes for extended-release tablets or capsules. Do not crush or chew them, as this can cause the drug to be released too quickly, increasing the risk of side effects. Always follow the dosage instructions provided, and do not take more medication or take it for longer than recommended unless directed by your doctor. If you are taking this medication for self-treatment of headache, it's important to seek medical help right away if you experience trouble speaking, weakness on one side of the body, or sudden vision changes. It's crucial to consult a doctor or pharmacist if you have headaches caused by head injury, coughing, or bending, or if you have a severe headache with vomiting, fever, and stiff neck. Remember that pain medications work best if they are used as soon as the first signs of pain occur. Aspirin with a special coating or slow release may take longer to stop pain because it is absorbed more slowly. It's important to select the best type of aspirin for you with the help of your doctor or pharmacist. Do not use this medication for self-treatment of pain for longer than 10 days, and do not use it to self-treat a fever that lasts longer than 3 days. Always consult a doctor if your condition lasts or gets worse, or if you experience new or unusual symptoms. If you think you may have a serious medical problem, it's important to tell your doctor promptly. If you experience upset stomach or heartburn while taking extra-strength Bayer 500 mg tablet, it's important to speak with your doctor or pharmacist. Your doctor has prescribed this medication because they believe the benefits outweigh the potential risks of side effects. While many people do not experience serious side effects, it's important to seek medical attention if you experience severe or persistent nausea/vomiting, easy bruising/bleeding, difficulty hearing, signs of kidney problems, unexplained tiredness, dizziness, dark urine, yellowing of the eyes/skin, severe stomach/abdominal pain, black/tarry stools, vomit that looks like coffee grounds, trouble speaking, weakness on one side of the body, sudden vision changes, severe headache, fever, swollen lymph nodes, rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. If you notice any other effects, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist for guidance. Always consult a healthcare professional for medical advice about side effects. Before taking extra-strength Bayer 500 mg tablet, it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies to aspirin or other pain relievers, or if you have certain health problems such as bleeding disorders, kidney disease, liver disease, stomach issues, or asthma. Using alcohol and tobacco while taking this medication may increase the risk of stomach bleeding, so it's important to limit alcoholic beverages and stop smoking. It's also important to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you use before having surgery, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. Children and teenagers should not take this medication if they have chickenpox, flu, or any undiagnosed illness, as it may increase the risk of Reye's syndrome. Older adults may be more sensitive to the side effects of this medication, especially stomach/intestinal bleeding and ulcers. Aspirin is not recommended for use to treat pain or fever during pregnancy, and it may pass into breast milk, potentially harming a nursing infant. It's crucial to talk to your doctor if you are pregnant or breastfeeding before using this medication. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that may affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. Be sure to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Always consult with your doctor before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines. Some products that may interact with extra-strength Bayer 500 mg tablet include mifepristone, acetazolamide, blood thinners such as warfarin and heparin, corticosteroids such as prednisone, methotrexate, and herbal medications like ginkgo biloba. Consult your doctor if you have recently received certain live vaccines before using this product. It's important to carefully check all prescription and non-prescription medicine labels since many medications contain pain relievers/fever reducers known as NSAIDs, nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs such as ibuprofen, ketorolac, naproxen. To prevent an overdose of aspirin, make sure to read the labels carefully before taking other pain relievers or cold products to ensure they do not contain aspirin. Daily use of NSAIDs like ibuprofen may decrease aspirin's ability to prevent heart attack/stroke. If you are taking low-dose aspirin for prevention of heart attack/stroke, consult your doctor or pharmacist for more details and to discuss other possible treatments for your pain/fever. It's important to note that this medication may interfere with certain lab tests, potentially causing false test results. Be sure to inform lab personnel and all your doctors that you use this drug. If you suspect an overdose and the person is experiencing severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's crucial to call 911 immediately. Otherwise, contact a poison control center right away. In the U.S., you can reach your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. For Canadian residents, reach out to a provincial poison control center. Symptoms of an overdose may include burning pain in the throat or stomach, confusion, changes in mental/mood, fainting, weakness, ringing in the ears, fever, rapid breathing, changes in urine output, seizures, and loss of consciousness. Always seek medical help if you have concerns about an overdose. When taking extra-strength Bayer 500 mg tablet regularly or at high doses, your doctor may recommend lab and/or medical tests to monitor your liver/kidney function, blood count, and salicylate level. It's important to keep all medical and lab appointments and consult your doctor for more details. It's also important to note that there are many different aspirin products available, some with special coatings and some that are long-acting. It's best to ask your doctor or pharmacist to recommend the best product for your specific needs. If your doctor has prescribed extra-strength Bayer 500 mg tablet for you to take on a regular schedule, make sure to take it exactly as directed. If you happen to miss a dose, take it as soon as you remember. But if it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one and continue with your regular dosing schedule. It's important not to take a double dose to make up for the missed one. Remember, always follow your doctor's instructions. It's important to store extra-strength Bayer 500 mg tablet at room temperature, away from moisture and light. Different brands may have different storage needs, so be sure to check the product package for specific instructions or ask your pharmacist. Avoid storing it in the bathroom and do not use any aspirin product that has a strong vinegar-like smell. Keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to disposing of this product, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Make sure to properly discard it when it is expired or no longer needed, and consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.